Redefining woodburners, here today with the RB73 Quaruba model. Now this is a video that's been requested by some customers as to the way to replace the glass on this fire. Changing the glass will depend upon which panel is broken. If it's the front panel on the door, it's quite straightforward. The door just lifts straight off. Then within here we use a screwdriver, prise these 4 clips at the bottom and the 4 clips at the top, pop those all out, and then we've got access to take the glass out, replace it, and then repeat for putting the glass back. So we just want to get the screwdriver in like so, to leverage the clips. No sort of right or wrong way of doing this. See, when the clips are out, they've got a bit of play on them. You should be able to walk it through one end, out the other, and there's your glass. Let's put it back. You simply repeat the process. Make sure that's in flat. Get our clips. The easiest way to do this is to put them in this way round. You can pretty much just push them in. If, however, it is a back panel or side panel, there are some Allen key screws that need to be removed in order to access the glass. Now, if your fire is old, and has been used, burnt a couple of times, you may find that the Allen keys are a little bit tight where some of the ash and build-up has got in. So if you need to, use some of WD-40 or something similar as a lubricant and just give it a little spray. Leave that for a couple of minutes and then come back to it and attempt to loosen the Allen keys again. Now if you're doing the side, before you need to undo is this one up here, this one here, and this one here. On the back, I've already started on this one. We have one down here, one up here, one up here, and one down here. Now remember, if you're taking off a side or a back panel, once you undo all 4 screws, there's nothing to stop that panel from falling out. So if you have the ability to hold it whilst you unscrew it, or ask someone to assist you to make sure that that panel doesn't fall once you unscrew it. Remember, the thread on the nut is only small, so it only takes a couple of turns before it will undo. That wraps up how to replace the glass on an RB73 Quaruba model. I've been Redefining woodburners. Thanks very much for watching.